sa lahat na to. May Christmas party. Siyempre gusto namin kayo kasama sa Pasko. Pero hindi tayo sasabay sa mga busy na mga araw.
Yes, tama.
Siguro after Christmas na lang siguro. Ayan, next time na natin pag-usapan.
8 members na po ng KK Rowan Family. Ito po yung ibalas ng mga
Kuya Candy! Yay!
salamat din sa ako. Sila.
Hey! Teka lang, ha? Mr. B, Miss B, Katie. Etong isa, Mr. B and Miss B. Okay. Basahin na muna natin. I just want to take a moment to express how much I admire both of you. I am one of your avid fans. And honestly, this is the very first time in my life that I've ever fangirled over anyone. That alone says so much about how special you are to me. Your love and life story is truly one of a kind. Maybe that's the reason why I became such a big fan, because what you share feels real, sincere, and inspiring. As a fan, I'm simply here supporting you, and your story continues to unfold no matter where it leads. You can count on my support. What I admire most about both of you is how you remain kind, humble, and grounded despite being in the limelight. That kind of authenticity is rare and truly beautiful. It inspires people like me more deeply than words can express. I sincerely hope that you will always stay the same, warm, genuine, and appreciative of your fans. Wishing you both all the best in life, especially for Katie. May your family continue to be blessed with love, happiness, and peace. With love, support, one of your biggest fans, Floricel. Anong, di ko mabasa ba? Floricel.
Ayan.
Ay, ito?
Ito mo pinaka...
Togia.
Oo, ayan.
Ito na lang tayo. Floricel Ayat. Thank you so much, Floricel Ayat. Happy Mother's Day to the one of the most exceptional mom, deeply admired and truly inspired. Thank you so much, Floricel. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung letter mo. Tsaka yung mga peanut butter. Salamat.
5-10 minutes lang.
I love you. Actually, may isa pa siyang letter eh. Hello, KKK France chapter. God bless you. We love you. Gracias.